In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to build passive income with Instagram Reels. This is not like any other video on YouTube. Stick around till the end to get all the value. Here we go. Most people think Instagram income requires constant work, daily posting, selling, DMs, all that, but it absolutely does not. Passive income starts with leverage. You want the content to work while you sleep and set up systems that are automated and can do the work for you. Instagram is a distribution engine above all else. You simply want to post as much content as possible, and it is completely free traffic and you get massive reach. And when I say as much content as possible, each account has a limit of up to 5 to 6 posts per day where your reach isn't limited, but with multiple accounts you can get around that. Passive income is not no work, right? There's plenty of work involved in the initial setup, but ultimately it runs for you. The real asset is attention, okay? You want to get views and then leads. Most people chase followers, but followers don't get you paid, okay? In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to make the money. Reels are the engine, they're just the traffic engine, but ultimately you need a system behind that to make the money. Content must be repostable. So I teach you exactly how to use the viral video framework where you understand exactly how to go viral. And from there, you can recreate it over and over again. All right. So you don't want to post just random content without following the exact viral framework. Passive income needs the right model. Okay. So that means when you're linking to a product or an offer on your Instagram page, you don't want to link to multiple offers. Okay. You want people, send people in one direction with one link and one offer. All right. Now, the way I'm going to teach you to make money through Instagram is not through products or dealing with customer service, holding inventory, or dealing with shipping. You don't even need a website. All right. So what you're going to do is promote other people's products. Affiliate marketing is the easiest way to make money on Instagram. Okay. All you have to do is post, get the traffic, and then you link to someone else's offer. Now, when you choose an affiliate offer to promote, you don't want one-time commissions. You want commissions that are reoccurring. All right. Now, this is where the real passive income starts to set. When you have reoccurring commissions coming in every single month, then the efforts compound over time. All right. When you make your content, you want to educate people, not sell them. All right. So you're selling without selling. Who made this slideshow? Your bio is the money page. So once people click on your bio, you need to make it look extremely professional and tell them exactly what to do in your bio. All right. Now, you don't even need to show your face. So when you're making these Instagram Reels, a lot of times faceless content is even more shareable. All right. So all you have to do is put some text on the screen and write a great caption. And I teach you how to do that in my school group, linked in the description below. But what you want to do is recognize what content's working, what's not, and recognize exactly what to do to go viral. And what I've done is analyze all of the most viral videos in the make money online niche, and I recognize that they're all following the exact same viral framework. All right. And I teach that in my school group, like I said below. Now, the best way to make money online is to promote Project Profit. Project Profit is my school group. It's $49 a month, and once you sign up, you get a affiliate link and you refer other people for 50% reoccurring commissions. All right. So I teach you exactly how to drive traffic to your link using Instagram Reels. And from there, you can make passive reoccurring income by referring other people to the group. So you promote the same system, right? One message, one link, And what happens is when you post consistently over time, let's say you post 3 times a day for 30 days, that's 90 pieces of content. Those original early videos that you made continue to get traffic as you continue to make videos. That traffic will kind of trickle down, and Instagram kind of recognizes that you're a consistent creator and you're going to keep getting views on older videos. All right. So it creates a content flywheel where you continue to build traffic that compounds over time. Most people quit before this point. They stop posting and they stop being consistent. But literally, the only thing you have to do is stay consistent and make sure you're posting from a viral account. So, like, every Instagram account is judged based on a trust score inside of Instagram. You need to make sure that your account is a high trust. So, the best way to sell that, the best way to tell if your account is high trust or not, is simply just look at the views and look at the engagement on the account. You can check the account status and all that. But ultimately, if you're getting 1,000 views or more, that means that your content reaches the algorithm and is judged fairly by the algorithm. But if you're getting 50 views or under, what that means is your account is probably shadow banned or limited in some kind of way and not reaching the initial audience that your content should. All right, so Project Profit gives you the opportunity to build passive income just by posting videos. All right, so Instagram passive income is absolutely possible with the right model, promoting the right product with recurring commissions and consistency over time. If you want passive income with Instagram, check the link in the description below. But before you do, subscribe to this channel, like this video, watch it 100 times, comment your income goals below, and then click the link in the description to get started.